Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video I will show you how to use a progress bar using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So let's get started. First of all, I will go to the toolbox and I will drag and drop a progress bar from here into my form, and I will resize it a little, and then I will take three buttons, 1, 2 and 3, and I will take two labels, 1 and 2 labels, and I will take two text boxes. So one text box and second text box, and first text label name I will change it as increment, and second text box name I will change it as interval. Okay, now what I will do is I will change the text of this button. First button text is start, second button text is stop, and the third button text is clear. And once again I will go to my toolbox and I will drag and drop a timer from here. Pick a timer and drop it into my form, and you will see this timer will go down and not directly into the form. Now I will write the code for this start button. So just select this timer one and just see the name of this timer is timer 1. So I will select the start button and double click it, and here I will write timer 1, which is the name of my timer, dot start. Okay, and then once again I will go to the form and I will select the stop button and double click it, and I will write timer 1 dot stop, and once again I will go to the form and I will select this clear button, and here I will write timer 1 dot stop, and I will write progress bar 1 dot value is equal to 0. So it will clear the progress bar. Now I will click this timer 1 from here and double click it, and we go to the timer tick event. In here I will write progress bar dot increment. So increment, we will increment our progress bar whatever value we will give here. So just copy the name of this text box and just paste it inside this bracket dot text. Okay, and then in the next line I will write timer 1 dot interval and is equal to whatever I will write in the text box for interval, which is this text box. So this is text box 2, and I will say text box 2 dot text. So now I think our code is ready. Let's try and run the code. So for example, I write it that my timer should increment, or my progress bar should increment by the factor of 10, and it should increment every 1 second. Okay, so now I start my progress bar and you see here it's increasing very fast. Let's give the interval of 1 and increment of 1 also. First of all, clear the progress bar and start it once again. You see it's increment every one increment. Let's give the interval 10 and clear the progress bar and just start it. You see, and 1000, clear the progress bar and start progress once again, and now it increases every second. So this interval is taking the time in millisecond, right? So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. That's why it's incrementing the time every second now. And this is the increment by the factor of 100. So for example, you write 50 here, then once again when you clear, it will go once again 50 and then 100. Okay, so in this way you can create a progress bar with the help of timers and buttons. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye.